Welcome to How to Number 1 part of our SQL interview series. How to access nth row of a table in a more optimized way. Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
How to find the nth row of a table. A simple, straightforward method. For our learning purpose, I'll use my SQL Server 2025-17 version. And just to save time, I got my .SQL script ready. Yes. What is it? How to find nth row of a table. Assume a particular table. Course SQL Server, SQL School courses. Insert data. Now, how to find, for example, third row of a table? Well, there are multiple ways to do that. We can make use of a cursor, declare cursor, fetch absolute 3, or you can make use of row number. But instead of those traditional methods, there is a nice optimized method here, something special to Microsoft SQL, which may not work in other SQL platforms. Remember, row number, option 1, using cursor, traditional method. Option 2, there came something called row number rank function. Using row number, we can get the sequence. Option 3, using something called offset and fetch. Let me show you the third method here. What is that? How to find the third row of a table? Select from table name. We get all rows. You don't want all rows. For example, I would like to order by, for example, course ID like this. Now, here it is. Top 2. We get first 2 rows. Opposite of top, we have something called offset. Offset 2 rows. So offset gives you 3 and above. Cut first 2, get the remaining. But our requirement is to get the third row. So fetch next 1 row only. This is the best simple optimized method. Next, what we are learning here, how to report third row. Same way, for example, how to find 7th and 8th rows. You want 7th, 8th row, simple. Select offset 6, cut first 6. You start from 7th and fetch next 2 rows only, like this. The reason for me not voting for cursor memory, cursor has problem, issue is memory. Reason for me not voting for row number, issue is CPU usage. Row number takes more processor, more resources. When working with bigger data, better to look for alternatives, optimized alternatives. This offset fetch will work. You are able to access this script anyway. For more practice,